Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today I will unboxing Beast speaker. Here is the main features, you can check it out, and also I will give you all the information regarding this speaker in the description, so please check it out. And you can also buy it from Amazon, link in description. Go and check it out. Here is our main product, Beast speaker. Its main feature is stereo sound with amazing clarity. This spectacular speaker delivers an unexpectedly well balanced sound. Let's open the box. Till then, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe my channel. Let's open the box. Its brand name is Zinq Technology, manufactured at Quantum High Tech Merchandising Private Limited, which comes in black color. Its series is ZQS111 Beast. Also, it does not include batteries. So here is the wire connected with the speakers. The size of the speaker measures just 2 inch and can be easily carried with you. This is the card given from the Amazon, and there is nothing else inside the box, so let's keep the box aside and we will see our main product. Let's take out the plastic from the speakers. Till then, अभी तक आपने अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो please subscribe my channel. There are many more videos coming soon, and also there are unboxing videos I will share with you. Let's see the speaker, how it looks like. Let's see at the back wire connected with the speakers. It has two connection. One is the mini USB 2.0 and other is the 3.5 audio input cable. And this is the volume rockers. Okay, let's open the plastic from the speaker. Now it's second speaker. Here is our main speaker. Also, I will tell you how to connect the speaker with your cell phone, so stay tuned with me. Okay, if you want to connect your cell phone with the speaker, then first you have to take OTG cable. My phone is supporting type C, so I have taken type C OTG cable, and this is the 3.5 audio. So let's connect the wire with the cell phone. Till then, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Okay, here we have connected the speaker with the cell phone. If you like this speaker, you can order this from the Amazon.